Hi, I'm Bob Wolf, founder of HOPE, the Students' Bridge to Business. HOPE is a program I've presented over the past 15 years to help students transition from school to business, from the me world of academia, my grades, my tests, my activity, to the we world of business. The dictionary says that hope is a passive word, wanting, waiting, and wishing, whereas my hope is an active word. I present 4 skills every student needs to have control over what they hope will happen in the business world. The 4 skills are interpersonal skills, communication skills, presentation skills, and selling skills. Each skill has several components. For example, interpersonal skills are the meet, greet, and engage skills. Communication skills are connect and converse skills. Presentation skills are who am I, who are you skills. And selling skills are what and now, how and when, and what's good for you and good for me skills. Students learn each skill the way they would learn any skill involved with any activity, like acting, sports, music, and robotics. Students first learn and master the basics of each skill, and then add the more intricate components of the skill. In my Hope Skills presentations, I share my business experience and life stories to help present each of the 4 skills. Testimonials from students, teachers, and parents say they enjoy my enthusiastic, creative, and motivational attitude, which they believe helps to retain each of the skills. Students say my acronyms like JOB, Just Opportunity Beginning, and THINK. This helps inspire new knowledge, help them remember the content for easy use. Students, teachers, and parents know that these 4 skills give students a competitive edge as they enter the business world. One of the best things about HOPE is that all students can learn these skills, regardless of their academic achievement. So, why HOPE? Why now? Number 1, students face a great deal of uncertainty about the job market upon graduation. And most students graduate college with 5-figure loans to pay. Students need a competitive edge. And that's HOPE, the Students' Bridge to Business, now, more than ever. Number 2, high school curriculums are designed to teach to the test, so students can get into college. However, students do not learn the skills which are vital in the business world. And finally, number 3, the students that are aware of today's high unemployment rates and corporate downsizing know that in addition to a degree, they need a competitive edge to transition to the business world. That edge is HOPE. Letters and personal thanks I receive from students, teachers, and parents confirm the importance and lifelong value of these 4 skills. Please contact me for information on HOPE presentations for your school, organization, group, and students.